So we have our Face ID module plugged in, plugging in our LCD, plugging in our battery. Now we're gonna go ahead and power on the device. Call this the moment of truth. Boom, Apple logo. Now what you don't want to see is when you push the power button, nothing pop up. That's definitely a no bueno moment. All right, now all we have to do is put this screen down and put our pentalobe screws back in. All right, we got that done. Let's go ahead and test the digitizer. All right, that's all good to go. Now we're gonna just wait for this 1 minute timer for the screen, so we can have the customer put the password in, and he'd be good to go. So here we are. Old screen, new screen. All right, join us next time. See ya.